Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal. Today is March 8th of 2025. So you know what that means? Today is National Peanut Cluster Day. Now, the reason that I am so excited to do this is that this is a simple recipe. This is a treat for everyone. It is accessible, it is affordable, and there are no special tools required, and you can also customize it. So this is a really great treat for everybody, and it's super easy. All you're gonna need is 1.5 cups of chocolate and 1.5 cups of peanut, a teaspoon of vanilla, and sea salt. Let's get started. All right, so we're gonna be putting this in, this is our chocolate. We're gonna be putting our chocolate into the microwave in 30-second intervals as we stir. So it's soft, so I'm gonna stir it a little bit. The reason we're doing the 30-second intervals is so you don't burn your chocolate. That is the most important part. Chocolate is a very delicate thing, and so when we're doing it, especially by microwave, you want to make sure that you are stirring and that you're not just consistently burning it, because then the bottom will burn and then it'll go from the bottom to the top, and then your chocolate will taste burned. It's getting better. So I'm going to stir. And I'll probably want to do maybe 15 more seconds. All right. And now it is completely melted. You see that? It's lovely. So now I'm going to stir just to make sure that I move it. I like to close this. Now it's time to add our peanuts. So I add the peanuts. I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So there goes a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And we stir it. Until all the chocolate is coated. Now we use a spoon and we just dollop them on the paper. As you can see, the chocolate is setting quickly. So you want to move quickly. And there's no such thing as like uniformity, because they're gonna set, right? So you don't have to worry like, oh, this didn't, I want them to be these perfect balls, because they don't have to be. Our last peanut cluster. I call this one the lucky cluster because it's, it's in. So this is what they look like. We are going to be placing these in the freezer for 30 minutes. All right, with the beauty of movie magic, our 30 minutes is up and our peanut clusters are done. They came out perfect. So let's start transferring. And this is, yes, look at us making chocolate things. It came out really good. So these are really great gifts. You can gift them, wrap them in a cute box or a jar. You can also use peanuts from your local farmer. We want to always support our local farmer. If you are not the type of person who enjoys eating peanuts, you can always do our lovely pistachios, almonds, pecans. That is always great. And you can also make it a family activity. This is really great to do with small children because you don't have to do a lot of ingredients. You don't need knives, you don't need anything but an apron and some smiles. If you notice on some of these, I went ahead and I put a little sea salt right before the freeze. I think my kids are gonna love these. But yes, our peanut clusters. They came out great. Happy National Peanut Cluster Day. All right, everybody, thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you for liking, subscribing to my channel. Please feel free to click in the channel description to check out more cooking aids like this one, my Good Time Gal Cookbook, which is available on TikTok, Amazon, and right here. Thank you so much, and you guys have a blessed day.